Hi everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast here. Just reaching out to you guys today, letting you know obviously one of our main services is low level high pressure cleaning. Some different surfaces we all cover is obviously sandstone blocks, pavers, stencil crete, your flat exposed aggregate, travertine. There's many different surfaces out there. Some of them need to be treated in different ways. Obviously cleaning agents, different amount of pressure. Standard tools of our trade, you've got a low level surface cleaner here, as opposed to just some people that are, just go out there and just use a gun. That's where you're going to end up with some wand marks. Obviously you do have specialised guns. Through here, that's your standard one that we use for washing down. This one here's got a turbo head attached. It's really good for retaining walls, etc. there. Yeah, look, one of the best benefits obviously low level cleaning is not just the appearance that you're seeing, but reducing slips, trips and falls, especially on your commercial premise, things like that. But yeah, look, if you've got any questions, you need a quote, give us a call at High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast.